Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew goat. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, quality goat meat. You'll want about 2 to 3 pounds of bone-in goat, cut into 2-inch pieces. Marinating is key for tender, flavorful stew. Combine your goat with a blend of spices, herbs, and a splash of vinegar, then let it sit overnight. This step truly infuses the meat with incredible depth, making all the difference in your final dish. Once your goat is marinated, it's time to build that foundational flavor. Start by browning the meat in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat until it's nicely seared on all sides. This creates a beautiful crust and locks in juices. Next, remove the goat and sauté your aromatics. Think onions, garlic, and bell peppers until they're fragrant and softened. Deglaze the pot with about a half cup of broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Now, let's bring it all together for that perfect stew. Return the browned goat meat to the pot. Add your diced tomatoes, potatoes, and enough liquid, like water or more broth, to just cover the ingredients. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 2 to 3 hours, or until the goat meat is incredibly tender. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent anything from sticking. As your stew finishes, taste and adjust the seasonings. This is your chance to add a final touch of salt, pepper, or fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley to really make the flavors pop. Serve this rich, comforting stew hot with your favorite accompaniments, whether that's fluffy rice, crusty bread, or a simple green salad. It's a truly satisfying meal that's worth the effort. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.